Now I'm preparing a little bit of a slaw to put on top of the sandwich. I didn't have green cabbage, but did have some red, so I used that, and you can see a jalapeno hanging out there that's gonna get added as well. I was trying for about 1.75 cups to make 4 sandwiches. To dress this up, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and some salt and pepper. To build it, just add your chicken, put your slaw on top, throw the bun on there, and enjoy.